Gianna kasi means God is gracious. So, in spite of all that happened, so God is really gracious that He gave us hope. And then hope, kasi she's our hope. After all that we've been through.
Siya ang pag-asa namin para iyahon sa kahirapan.
Think we're on to something. Think it's safe to say good feelings are here to stay. We're living our best days. Let's keep it moving. Feelings are here to stay. Yeah, we're living our best days.
And you are the team! Yun lang.
Best days, best days.
Si Hopi, to be honest, very unique siya. Tapos yung level ng milestone niya from other kids talagang medyo mataas. So kung pinakikita namin si Hopi na matured siya. Tapos simple instructions compared to other kids. Not compared to every other kid. Pero si Hopi, sobrang special siya. Mabilis siya pumikap ng mga instructions at the same time, sobrang lambing, sobrang sweet ng batang yan. So we're very proud as a parents na ganito lumaki yung anak mo. Bali, nung nalaman namin na magkaka-baby kami, sobrang excited namin. To be honest, si Hopi, pang tatlong baby na namin siya. As you all know, previously we had the first and second miscarriages. Kaya nung dumating si Hopi, sobrang blessed namin sa kanya. Tinatreasure namin yung moment na dumating siya at the same time. Then every moment na lumilipas, pinararamdam namin sa kanya na kung gaano siya kahalaga. Siya yung pinaka-wonderful gift and blessing na natanggap namin kay Lord. So, siya yung nagbibigay rin ng happiness and excitement in every single day of our life.
At the stars from my balcony, wondering about what the future will bring. Oh, we'll have made it so far.
Na i-push ko siya, at talagang ganun pa na yun, talagang natural tutuloy yung luha mo. Tatanong ako ng mga nurses are you okay? Kasi parang tears of, di ba? Tears of
We
joy.
made it this far.
Siguro no words can describe. Sa lahat ng sacrifices, since pabuntis ako, ayan ang sabi ko ng cry. Since pabuntis ako, ganun pala yung pagiging niya. So, parang saka po mararamdaman pag lumabas na siya. So yun nga, no words can describe kung how much I love you, how much we love you, right?
And get this wherever you are.
Sa amin naman, sa trabaho namin, sobrang pagod as nurses sa magtrabaho. Pero every single day na uuwi kami at makikita namin si Hopi. She's our strength. Siya yung nagpapalakas ng loob namin, nagtatanggal ng pagod namin. So that's why every day we survive despite na nakakapagod yung profession.
About what the future will bring. Oh, we'll have made it so far.
Mommy's wish, and like our prayer at night, always, no? That I wish that you will always be a good girl, that you will always listen to mommy and daddy, na lumaki ka ng kind, loving, God-fearing, maging mabuting bata, maging mabuting tao. Right?
we are always praying every night that you might grow na laging may takot sa Diyos. You know how to respect people at the same time. You need to respect your parents at the same time. Loobin ni Lord na lumaki kang malusog, masigla, matalino, at mabait na bata.